Hi, hello friends. Welcome to a serotonin boosting self-care 24 hours of reading and writing and just trying to be happy. We need happy chemicals in our brains. So this last week has not been it. This last month has not been it. It's not a vibe. I'm not here for the vibe that we're getting. So welcome to me trying to get back on the horse. I took the week off from working and I think that was great. I got some reading done, I had a great time, but I'm depressed. So I need to do 24 hours while my husband is out of state and the child is with her grandparents. Let's just have fun for the next 24 hours. Technically it's not fully 24 hours, it started a while ago. To recap what I've already done, it is 1 p.m. now, but I woke up at 5 in the morning because my husband had to leave for the airport. I took a shower. I ate sausage for breakfast while on the phone with my best friend because, you gotta have friends, even if they're across the country. I also went to my therapy appointment, my coffee in hand, because my therapist and I enjoy coffee together every time we have a session. We love him. I also, on the way home, stopped and got stuff from the pet store for my reptiles. Seeing animals. You're on to it. I also went to my favorite Korean market, which is near the pet store, which is very far from our house, so worth it because I made several stops while I was out. But I got buldak, which is the samyang spicy Korean noodles. This little tiny Korean market is the only place I can find these for a reasonable price and just find them in stock actually. I also got some furikake seasoning. It's just like nori and sesame seeds and stuff like that that you put on sushi rice usually, but I like adding this to my noodles because it has seaweed in it. This comes with seaweed and sesame seeds, but I find that I want more seaweed. Serotonin. I additionally got fermented soybean paste for miso soup because I love drinking a glass of miso soup, some hot miso broth in the mornings some days and sometimes in the afternoon. It's kind of like a boost of energy. I don't know, it does something for me similar to coffee. I used to drink this every single day before I got pregnant, and then I got pregnant and I couldn't stomach basically anything. So I stopped drinking this. Now I'm gonna drink it again. So that's my little haul. I'm additionally going to stop by the library at 4 p.m. It's currently 1 o'clock and pick up a library hold that I've been trying to get my hands on for the last few days, but nothing has gone right. My car is just not in use right now because she has betrayed me. So I'm using my husband's car while he's gone. So I need to take advantage of this freedom, go to the library. I ordered some books yesterday, 16 books, used, so it was not that expensive. Found them on Mercari. They're usually about, I think it was $200 for 13 books in this series, the Last Apprentice series, but I got them for $58 plus shipping from Mercari used. They're in horrible condition. I'm going to try to repair them. But the series, I've read 2 of the books. I think it sparks joy. I think I'm gonna love the whole thing. I got more than just the 13 books in the series. I also got the companion novels in this used book lot that I bought on Mercari. They are like a mix of hardbacks, and paperbacks, and movie covers, and original covers, and they're damaged, really bad. Some of them are pretty bad. I'm gonna have to do my best to fix them up, but it sparks joy. That's a win. I'm gonna take what I can get. So I don't mind that they're used. I find them to be cozier when they're used. So there's that. I'm going to make lunch now. I think I'm going to make the buldak because I want to and because it's tasty. And why would I not destroy my digestive system when my mental system is destroyed? Makes sense. We gotta balance it out, And then I am going to probably prep dinner. I think we're gonna have curry, so I need to prep that as well. So come with me.
I think it was a Honda, a 99 that we drive and play Nirvana. It never started right away, it didn't wanna let me get too far from here. I was still too young to realize that these summertime drives, they don't last your whole lifetime. I think it was a Honda. I run another light to get through the night. Scared as shit, but I know that I'm alright. We were 17, pure like kerosene. You protected me, you were my sunscreen. You protected me, you were my sunscreen. I'm running out of karma. I don't think that I'll make it any longer. But with you by my side, I feel stronger than I've ever been before. Still too young to realize that these summertime drives, they don't last your whole lifetime. I think it was a Honda. I run another light to get through the night. Scared as shit, but I know that I'm alright. We were 17.
Hi, voiceover Dre here. Just wanted to quickly talk about this book, Chef's Kiss, which is a graphic novel that I read on Kindle Unlimited on my cell phone. This book was really fun, but a little quirky, and it has some elements that were kind of confusing and random, but I did enjoy it quite a bit. It was really fun. I enjoyed a lot of the conversations, and in the end, the romance was cute, although not very deep.
I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbors doing construction. This has been our life for about a week now. Anyway, hydrating. Updated curry. It's halfway done. We're almost there. The potatoes are getting soft. The carrots are already soft. We just have to get it to thicken. I need to also start the rice right now. I'm gonna make a coffee. I'm going to have a snack. And then I'm gonna get to work writing for the next few hours. And then have dinner with our roommate. And then call it for the night and read some books.
They say, hey, I can't stay late playing on my video games. You got things to do. You need to wake up early and read the morning news. Maybe I'd fit in if I tried a little more just to look like them. Maybe I'd fit in if I tried a little more just to act like them. Play my video game. 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 They say, hey, I can't spend all my money on my deadbeat friends. They need things to do. They need to go out and look for jobs, and you do too. Maybe I'd fit in if I tried a little more just to look like them. Maybe I'd fit in if I tried a little more just to act like them. Play my video game.